que tu aimes, j'aime ça. J'aime ça. Mais si tu ne touches pas.
Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? Welcome back to Sac Nation TV, and today we are going to be showing you the Shanghai subway, how to survive in Shanghai when it comes to transportation. So let's go. It's a little vlog. So this is our estate. I'm walking out. I'm going out to the bus station. I'll get the bus, then we will continue from there. So let's get going. So right now I am at the bus station or the bus stop, and the bus is coming at 8:08. So I'm going to be waiting here for some few minutes before the bus comes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you guys how to use the Shanghai subway from my city. And also, if you're late at night and the subway stopped working or the train working, you can actually just use the bus. So let's explore this together. Okay, so I just dropped from the bus and I'm at the train station. So let's go. I have my mask on because you cannot go to the train station without a mask. It's a must. You have to get a mask for yourself. So we are at the train station. Let's go. So we have to log in. It's open. Going down. So we're going now. Unfortunately, we missed the 8:20 train. So I'll be taking the 8:45 train to the metro line. So that is how it is. I'm going to give you a view of the train station. It's kind of noisy because of the AC. This is the train station. Oh my god, the train is at 8:46. 8:46. So I am going with this platform. This one, and we're going up. So there are actually two trains, the fast and the slow train. The fast one is at 8:46, and the slow one, which is here. So people are already boarding the train. So this is the line, and we are going with 300. That is the name in Chinese. And just got off the train and we are going down to the subway. You can see the population that boarded this train. It's so full, like so many people here. So this is the subway exit. We're going out now. So we are out of the train, the railway station. We log out like we did before when we come in. We log in and now we log in out. And I'm gonna show you how we log out, okay? So basically this is it. You just lock the card and we're out of here. This is the exit and this is the entry of the subway. So we'll be going with line 1. Basically like this. So we do the same thing we did when we were coming in. Here they will put your bag so they can go through it if there is anything inside that is not legal. So my card here. and it's open and I'm out. So there, heading to line 1. So it's pretty easy because we have directions, arrows telling you where to go and how to work. As you can see from the top, so it's telling me line 1 is still ahead. Still on line 1. So line 1 is going like this, and we're following the arrow. Like I said, it's pretty easy. So we have the arrow here again telling us we are going down. So down we go.
Bouger, bouger. I wanna make you mine. I will take you far away.
So it tells you where you are going. So we basically missed this subway and we are waiting for the next one. And from what it is written, it shows you the direction where this subway is going. So we are at Shanghai South Railway Station, and it's going to take us to this road, the Taoba Road. So it's going this way. It's going this way. And this is the other side. It also shows you where you are going. It gives you the direction of where you are going as well. So this one is going down to Shanghai. So it's kind of easy but a little bit tricky. Subway is here and we are entering the subway now. It's so full, jam-packed with people. We just left the first subway line. We are going to the next one because we haven't reached our destination. So switching to line 8. We are going, or I am going, or they are going. Anyone is fine. Not only me. So many people are going to be switching. So we missed the metro and we are going to wait for 2 minutes for the next one to come. So we will be standing here and waiting for the next 2 minutes to get the next metro that is coming. The other one is going down. It's here. It's here and going. We just arrived our destination. Yeah, this is the last stop for us, and we are going to continue to go back and continue with maybe a taxi. So we are going. Exit gate. And we're going to do the same thing like we did before. It's rainy outside, the wrong day for outing, and we are stuck. We can't process this because we don't have an umbrella, and it's so hot. How do we do this? Sit back. It works only on the line. It only goes in the line, the line, the line. So this is the subway. This is how it goes, and actually we've done what we came to do in town, so we're going back to the city. I'll show you everything and how it's easily accessible. Okay, so we just alighted from the metro, so we are now at Lee Hao Road, where you can get a bus when you miss the train at night. So actually you can get a bus from this section, exit 4. You can get a bus from here that will take you to Jinshan district. Actually that is where we're coming from, so you can get a bus from here, which actually ends at 11 in the night.
Because we're supposed to climb up, there is a flyover and then we'll come down, walk back.
So we're going to get the bus
Yes.
to take us to the district where we're going to. That is just if you miss the train at night, because the train ends at 9:25. So if you miss it at that time, you can get a bus. So that is how it is. So this is the bus park where you can get a bus to go to Jinshan, whatever this side. There are so many places that you want to go to. If you want to go there and it's late and you miss the metro or the train, you can use the bus. So we are getting into this one. This is the time, the bus time.